Hello guys, this is Richmond here. I'm going to take you through how you can scalp with the FETS trading system, or how you can take an intraday position. When we talk about scalping in Forex, it's simply the art of taking positions that last for a few minutes and then offsetting with small profit or a loss. Okay, yeah. So we are going to take a look at how the system is able to help us in our scalping all the time. But before that, let's look at something. Now, assuming we have this chart, which is of course a naked chart, we are going to make use of only one indicator, which is going to help in the scalping system. But then scalping is done best in the New York and the London section. Again, scalping is done best with the system in the New York and London section, because that is where you are going to have a lot of volatility, and so within a very short time, good movement is going to make you some good money, and then you close for the day. Now, because you are going to take positions for a short period of time, you need pairs that actually trends very well, so that when you take position for a very short time and the position should move in your favor, you make some good money and you are out. And the selected pairs that I recommend for scalping in 15 minutes chart with this system are those that I have listed here. Okay, just these pairs are enough, because the trend considerably good when it comes to a shorter time frame. So you start by applying this indicator. You go to insert, okay, indicators, FETS trend. FETS trend, you allow DLL inputs, then you go to OK, then you have your software or the indicator for scalping. In the scalping, this is what you are going to do. You set the time to 15 minutes charts. Oops. With the 15 minutes charts, you can make a lot of pips over time. Okay, so you set almost all the charts to 15 minutes charts, and then this is what you are going to do. During the London section, you wait for price to close above this without waiting for the trend confirmer. Just when price closes above it, you go in for a buy, and then your target is going to be 10 to 20 pips. At 10 20 pips, if you think the momentum is good, you can move stop loss at entry, or you close your position and you are done for the day. And consistently, if you look at all the pairs, there are about 10 of them. At least you are going to get 2 of them or 3 that is going to cross the 15 minutes time frame for you, and will help you make some good money in doing scalping. So price just closes above and you go in for your buy, and when you buy, you don't hold it for a long time. Remember, you are scalping and your target is 10-15 pips. So over here, price close from above below the trend identifier, and then you go in for a sell and you hold it. You don't close until price closes back above this, or you make the 10-20 pips. Always remember, your stop loss, your take profit is going to be 20 to 30 pips, and your stop loss is going to be 20-30 pips. But you don't wait to hit stop loss, because you are scalping and you are going to use lower time frame. So just when price closes back, you close the position. So actually, this is what you are going to see when price closes below. The candlestick closes below, you go in for the sell without waiting for the trend confirmer. Okay, and you hold it, or you make some, let's say 10-20 pips, and then you close. and you go in looking for another pair that is also going to trade. Let us go and save our template. Let's save this template as scalping. Okay, we already have scalp here. Okay, for those who don't know how to save a template, you go here and go to, let's say, scalping, then we are good to go. Let's come to EuroJPY. We right click, we go to template, and we select our scalping template, and there we go. We have 15 minutes chart. And so you realize that on the 15 minutes chart, this is what actually happened. Price closed above, and you get in there and you wait. After this rejection, price closes back again, and so you close the position and go for a sell. And just when you came for a buy, it did not hold. After a strong rejection, price closed back below the trend identifier, and then you close the position and come for a sell, and then that is how you make your 10-20 pips. Yes, you are good to go. Then at another point, price closes from above, and then you go for your buy and hold it so you make your 10-20 pips, and then off you go. So that is it for the day. And then you scan through for other pairs and other opportunities, and it happens like this every day. You have a chance on the 15 minutes chart every day. Of course, that day you got a signal here, price immediately close from here, and you get in. You don't wait for the trend confirmer, you just get in, and of course you make 10, 20, 30 pips and you are out. Okay, so at least you're going to get about 3 pairs that will trade continuously. That is going to give you those signals you need for the scalping. Don't implement so many pairs. Other than that, the work is going to be so difficult for you. So you can do something like this. You can tile it up. You set all your time frames to 15 minutes chart, and after that you tile them up. Okay, let us select our template, the scalping template. We select it. It is only in scalping that you don't wait for the trend confirmer, because you didn't wait for the trend, the system to give a signal. You're using the candlestick closer. Okay, yeah, so that is it. And then you can tile it this way, and you'll be looking at multiple screens, and so at a glance you know exactly what is going on in every pair, just at a glance. Okay, so you are monitoring everything here, and you are going to make at least something for the day. Yes, just monitoring, all time frames set to 15 minutes chart, and you are going to monitor to see which pair is going to cross. Sometimes if pairs are far away, like this one for instance, you can set an alarm. How to set an alarm on EMT4? You right click, you go to trading, you go to alert, and there you go. You can drag it up or down, and when price touches it, it's going to give you an alert. Okay, let's see if we're going to have it. Of course, volatility is low, so we might not have it sound, but that is it. You right click, you go to trading, and then you can set an alert. So when price touches it, it gives an alert, and then you know that something is about to happen. So you can do that for all your tile pairs as you wait for an entry. Once again, remember you're going to scalp using the London and the New York section, and this is how to know whether you are trading in the London or the New York section. You go to insert, you go to custom, you go to FETS version 5. At the input section, if you put your time frame, the time difference between your broker server and your country, it's going to actually give you the right time frame or the right market section. Of course, I am in Ghana, I'm the same time frame as London, so I put 2, which is the time frame, the time difference between XM broker and XM server and my time. I put it there, and I get the right market session. That is how you know whether you are trading in London section or the New York section. Once again, thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can send them. You can send me an email at, this is my email address, richmond at forexembassy.net. okay, and of course www.forexembassy.net is my website. Okay, yeah. So once again, thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can send me an email. This is my email. Yeah, just the email, richmond at forexembassy.net, and I'm going to answer you. Thank you very much, and enjoy your trading.